Hello everyone, Victor Isibor here. You're welcome to class. I hope you find a reason to subscribe before the end of the video and stay glued. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how the Martingale strategy works. Okay, when I tell people that, okay, the robot in the description of this video is making money even in a bearish market, some people doubt it. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it makes money even in a deepening market using the Martingale strategy. First of all, you need to know something, that the cryptocurrency market is a very volatile one, meaning that it fluctuates. Okay, so even when a market is bearish, like a falling market, you don't see a free fall like this. Nah, it doesn't happen in crypto. What you see in crypto is back up, down, back up, down, back up, down, back up, down, back up, down. Okay, so we now know that the general mode of the market is a bearish one, but there have been some highs, like the ones that I circled. Okay, a situation where the market momentarily goes up but continues its free fall afterwards. Okay, same applies to a bullish market. You don't see a straight line, bullish up. No, you see down, 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 down. At the end of the day, we know the market is going up. All right, so let's wipe our board clean and let's start the tutorial for today. Now, how does the Martingale strategy work, and how does it enable you to make money even in a falling market? Let's have a hypothetical capital of $100. Okay, $100 capital. And let's say, for instance, we want to trade Ethereum. Okay, and let's assume that the price of Ethereum as at that point in time per unit is $20. Okay, it's just a hypothetical situation. All right, let's say your first order is one, so you buy one Ethereum at $20. Okay, let's put one in circle. When you buy one Ethereum at $20, what is left of your capital? Of course, it's remaining $80. Okay, capital is remaining $80 after buying one Ethereum. Now, let us say that the price of Ethereum now drops, okay, to $15 per token. $15 per token. Then the Martingale strategy buys two as the market fell. So in bracket, we're going to put 2. All right, 2 times 15 is 30. By the time you remove that 30 from your remaining $80, what you have left as your capital is now $50. All right, take note of this. Your remaining capital is now $50. All right, but you have bought 3 Ethereum. Okay, the first one you bought at $20, the second one you bought at $15 too. So you've spent a total of $50 buying Ethereum. Now, let's say the market now goes up a little, pumps up to $18 for Ethereum. Remember, $18 is still lower than your first buy price of $20. All right, it's still lower than your first buy price of $20, but it is higher than your second buy price of $15. Now, the current price of Ethereum is $18. If the robot decides to sell all the Ethereum that it bought, all 3 Ethereum that it bought, we'll now have a situation where it is 18 times 3, which is now $54. You see now, $54. All right, what we spent in buying Ethereum, 1 at $20, 2 at $15, was what? $50. But we have sold it when the market moved to 18, all 3, and we made $54. Add this $54 to your remaining $50 capital. Your capital now becomes $104. Okay, So your capital has increased from $100 now to $104, even in a bearish market. All right. You see, the first buy price was 20. The market was falling. It fell to 15. It momentarily rose to 18. The robot in the description of this video will quickly sell using his algorithm to do the mathematics to ensure that you are in profit. Then from this $18, trust me, if we're in a bearish market, the price is going further down. It could go down to $10. All right, let me wipe my board clean. The price can go further down to what? To $10. $10. Then the bot is going to buy a certain amount. All right, using his algorithm to do the calculation. As the price continually falls, the robot buys, anticipating the next pump, marginal pump, no matter how little it is. Then it does its calculation, putting into cognizance the entire unit it has bought, doing the summation to see if it is going to make profit for you. All right? So that is how the Martingale strategy works, and that is how the margin calls work. And that is why when we say it is good when you're trading in the spot market for you to have sufficient capital. All right? For you to have sufficient capital. Now, let us have a hypothetical situation of somebody who has $100 capital to trade. All right? And another person who has $1,000 to trade. All right? And we're using Ethereum as a case study. Let's say the first buy was $20. All right? Market drops, you buy one. Okay? For the $100 package, first of all, you buy one. Price drops to $10. Then you buy two. Already you have spent $40. Okay? If the price continually falls, it will get to a point all $100 would be exhausted. So what would happen to your robot at that point in time when there's no more money to buy using the Martingale strategy as the market is continually falling? Your robot would do what? It will stop. Okay? Probably waiting for you to top up so that it can continue with its Martingale journey. All right? Your bot will stop, waiting for an upsurge, upward movement in the market to sell off the asset it has bought for you gradually using the Martingale strategy. All right? But somebody else that is trading in the market with $1,000, by the time this $100 bot stops, this guy still has $900 reserve, where even if the market keeps going lower and lower, it still has $900 reserve to keep buying using the Martingale strategy. Now, take note carefully. As the market, the further down the market goes and your robot keeps buying, the higher the amount of profit you will make when the market becomes bullish again. Okay? So when the market is moving back up, it will have to get to where your own robot stopped before you start making profit again. Meanwhile, this person that had reserve of $900, this person remained in the market. His robot never stopped till the market started moving back up, retracing again. Then he's making more money. Why is he making more money? Let me show you. Let me tell you why he's making more money hypothetically. Okay, I'll give an example of, say, cement. Okay, let's talk about something that everybody can relate with. Cement. Let's say I buy cement at $5,000. Okay, a bag for $5,000. If the price of cement continually falls, it fell to $3,000. Cement fell to $3,000. from $5,000. It fell to $3,000. I bought more. It fell to $100 per bag. I still bought more. You ran out of funds when it fell to $3,000 was the last time you bought. When it fell further to $100, you could not buy because you did not have any more capital again. But me, I kept buying. I even bought at $100. By the time the price of cement starts going up again and it moves from this $100 to $150, I'll take profit from there. You will not be able to take profit because you had stopped buying because you ran out of cash. By the time cement will move to $200, I'll take profit also. Moves to $500, I'll take profit. Moves to $1,000, I'll take profit. Moves to $2,000, I am taking profit because as it was falling layer by layer, I was buying more using the Martingale strategy. Now it's time to sell. Now you, on the other hand, your last buy price was $3,000. You would wait for the market to get to your last buy price. By the time it now moves past it, you will now start making profit. Okay? That is why we encourage people have sufficient capital to trade in the spot market. Okay? Now, let me explain something to newbies. All right? The spot market is buy and sell. All right? So, now, when the price is going down, your robot is what? Buying. Is using your money to buy. All right? So you now see your account in red. Many newbies begin to panic. I'm losing money. You're not losing money. For the robot to make profit for you, it has to first of all buy so that it will have something to sell for you. So as the price of the market of the coin is going down, as it is going down, your robot is buying, you should be happy. Because the lower the buy price of that particular crypto, the higher the profit you would make when the market is retracing and is becoming bullish again. Okay? So now it is a buy and sell situation. So a lot of newbies will say, oh, my capital is reducing and I'm seeing red. Okay? If I had $1,000 to do business, maybe I want to be selling weave-ons, an attachment. $1,000 is my capital. And I go to the market and I buy weave-ons and attachment worth $950 minus $950. Okay? What do I have left? $50 as cash. Would it be wise for me to be crying and saying I have lost $950? No. Why? Because I used it to buy goods. So when you're trading in the spot market and your robot goes to the market and buys some things and you're seeing them like floating losses, you have not lost. That is why I tell you that the robot in the description of this video will never sell for you at a loss. Floating loss is not real loss. You're still in the game. You're still in the market. If you did your analysis very well and you chose a very volatile coin with good technical analysis, then you're certain that within a few days, that coin would be going back up again. And what would happen? The red will change to green. Okay, so when you see red, okay, that is the period of planting. Be happy with the red. Okay, the redder it is, the greener it would become when it's time for harvesting. All right, so now, very quickly, before I end this class, I want to compare two markets in the crypto world. You know, I want to do a comparison. Okay, the spot market and the futures market. Now, first of all, the spot market is more relatable to real life business, buying and selling. When the robot is buying for you, all the coins it's trading and buying for you, you are seeing it in your wallet. Okay? When the price is right, it will sell them for you. The only way you can take a loss is if you decide to do the job of the robot by yourself. by going to manually sell at a loss, then that is your decision. If you stocked cement, you bought them at the rate of 5,000 per unit and cement price fell to 4,500, you still have your cement. If cement value is volatile, then you're optimistic that the price of cement will go above the former buy price. So what you need to do is be patient so that you can sell in profit. But if you're an impatient person, you decide to go and sell at a loss, then that is your call. That is your decision. The robot in the description of this video does not sell at a loss. And the team have done a lot of technical analysis, and they have selected choice coins, not coins that will just fall flat and not move anymore. Volatile coins that are doing very well in the market after thorough technical analysis. So you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Okay? So in this market, I'll tell you, if you have a lot of capital, go ahead and go into the business with a lot of capital. Because like I explained earlier, the Martingale strategy in a bearish market buys more for you as the prices are falling. So when you have enough reserve capital, as the market is falling, the Martingale strategy is able to fulfill itself by buying more for you. Okay? When other people are selling, okay, your robot is buying. As the price is falling, your robot is buying. Now, by the time people wake up from their slumber and say, this coin, the price is very low, and the price is about rising, they have looked at their charts, the price is about going up, okay? Let us quickly buy because we are anticipating that it will go even higher. That is when your robot will now start selling for all those people who panic sold initially. They will now come back into the market because those people, they are waiting to see a bullish sign. When they see a bullish sign, they will do what? They will rush. They will want to come and buy. And that is when your robot will be selling to them as the price is going up. But you see, when the price is coming down, they are panic selling. Oh, I don't want this thing to fall below how much I bought it for. So what do? They quickly do what? They start selling. They start selling because they know that the price is falling. Then what does the robot in the description of this video do? It will do what? It will be buying. It will be buying. Maybe you guys are selling as the price is falling. You are selling it cheap. Don't worry. Give it to me. I will buy. It will now buy. It will now buy. It will now buy as they are selling. The moment these sellers now see that the price is about to go up again, it is going up again, they will do what? They will keep buying from you. You that they sold to initially, they will come and be buying from you because they are anticipating that it will continually go up. As it's going up, they are optimistic it will even go further. Let me buy at $10 because it was $9 before. It has gone to 10. Let me buy. As it moves from 10 to 12, they will still come and buy. Why? Because they are hoping, they are optimistic that it will get to 15. From 15, they are optimistic that it will get to what? 20. So you keep selling and selling until they are like, no, we are no longer buying. The ones that we have bought, let us sell it before it gets to the overbought region. Okay? So that is how the spot market works. Now, let me tell you something very quickly about the futures market. Now, the futures market is a high-risk market. It's not a market for newbies. Okay? It's a market for people that are well grounded in technical analysis. Okay? It's for professionals. If you want to trade futures anywhere, there is always a disclaimer and a warning displayed. You can make a lot of profit, but you can also suffer liquidation. Okay? And apart from suffering liquidation, when you're trading futures, it is mostly you versus the exchange. Most exchanges are continually, consciously trying to liquidate you. There is no exchange that is going to sit back and allow you to come and be taking away all their money. If they are not, trying to outwit you, they are, increasing the charges that they charge you for each trade that you take. All is towards leading you towards liquidation. So futures trading in itself is very risky because it is like gambling. Yeah, futures trading is like gambling. Okay? you are speculating on the future price of a crypto token without actually stocking them. That means in futures you can trade Ethereum and there will be no Ethereum in your wallet at all. You are not getting value. You are not actually owning the Ethereum. You are just speculating on the price. So when you lose money in futures, your money goes away and there is no token to show for it. In spot, if the price of the token falls, at least you can see your tokens there and you have hope that, okay, the price will go back up again. But in futures, it's not the same thing. You lose money, there's no crypto, no sign, nothing. Your money is just gone. And if you're not very careful, you don't do proper risk management, you'll be trading at a very high leverage. Maybe something like 20x or 30x, because of course you want to make more money. So you're taking higher risk and you're exposing your capital to liquidation. Okay, if you ever want to trade futures, please make sure you top up your skill level and always use a stop loss. Okay, so guys, that is just the tip of the iceberg. The robot in the description of this video is absolutely awesome. The team make absolutely deep research about their choice of crypto. Okay, and if you are a newbie to crypto and you don't like to take risk, you want something that will preserve your capital, something that will give you consistent and steady returns in the markets, competitive rates, look in the description of this video, sign up for that robot and contact me and let me add you to the WhatsApp group so that you can interact with top leaders, seasoned crypto traders who would hold you by the hand and let this robot trade for you, provide you with all the settings that you need, and you just go to sleep and this robot will continually print money for you using the margin calls and the Martingale strategy that I explained earlier. I told you guys before, I am not a crypto expert. All right, I am not a crypto expert. I'm not, but I have some basic knowledge about it and I thought to share it with you because I know it's going to benefit you. Tada! Congratulations. If you were patient enough to watch this video up to this extent, I have a bonus for you. Like I said at the beginning of the video, like I wrote there's a bonus for you. Patient people, okay? They say the patient dog eats the fattest bone. I'm bringing the fattest bone to you guys. Now, like in every other business, the bigger your capital, the bigger your returns, okay? But in this business, in this robot, I will not mention the name because I want you to go to the description of the video. I want you to be inquisitive. Go to the description of the video. Now, in this business, you can grow and start with a very small capital. I've seen people start with $50. There is a strategy for every capital. No matter how little your capital is, there's a strategy for you. See, the particular team you belong in any business whatsoever determines how far you will go. Okay? If you join the team in the description below, you are joining the winning team. Everybody can use the same service and have different experience depending on their skill level, depending on how well they were guided. So it is good to join a very, very good team. Okay? There's a strategy for every capital. And when you join this particular team, if you are the type that is interested in crypto to learn how to trade by yourself, they have daily Zoom technical meetings that before you know, you yourself, you will become a robot on your own and you can trade in the markets on your own. But you don't have to have any crypto knowledge. Everything I've talked about in this video, the buying, the selling, the market calculation, the entry and exit, it is done by the robot. The experts will help you set up your robot. You just go to sleep while your robot is printing money for you. You can start small with small capital and grow your account. Now, another way to grow your account to participate in this business is by referral. Okay? Is by what? Referral. Now, this particular robot company has the best compensation plan in the market. The best. The most rewarding. That's why you see all the top leaders are multi-millionaires in US dollars. Okay? Because this particular robot is the number one, the champion, the first and the best The first and the best crypto robot that started API linking. Yes, they are the ones. And I will not mention the name. When you use my link, you will see it. As soon as you register, make sure you contact me and we'll take it off from there. So, but you need to pay a yearly activation fee of $120 for you to have access to even have a link that you want to share. If you don't activate the bot, there will be no referral link for you. Okay? So for those who do not have any capital, I want to cut soap for you now, give you vital information. Okay? You cannot be poor and lazy at the same time. If you are poor and lazy, that means your situation is a helpless one. Nobody can help you. Even God cannot help you, because God says, I will bless the work of your hands. So if you are poor and there is no work in your hands, God cannot bless you. You are useless. Okay? So if you don't have the money, but you need $120 at least to have a link that you can share and promote with, here is what you can do. Meet your upline. All right? Meet your upline and refer 4 people to your upline. Your upline earns $30 per referral. When you multiply 30 by 4, you have $120. Then your upline will send you that $120. Then you will use it to what? To activate your bot. Instead of sitting around complaining, I don't have the money, go about, tell people about the business. Tell 4 people about the business. When they want to register, because you don't have a referral link, you have not registered, you have not activated, take them to your upline with that gentleman agreement that when they sign up, the bonus your upline gets, he gets to send them to you, then you use it to activate and you start your journey. Okay? That's a big bonus I just gave to you. It's a good tip. Have that conversation with your upline and you can get started in this amazing journey. The oldest bot. This bot has been existing ever since MMM days and it's still around till now. Ponzi's go, Ponzi's come, this robot remains, and this is a robot that you can pass on to your next generation as will. Okay? Okay? If you got value from this video, hit the like button, share this video with everybody who needs to see it, and of course, please subscribe. And let me see what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Till I see you in the next one, I remain Victor Isibor. Signing out is bye for now.